Hey, and welcome back. I'm Tyler Lemmond, and we are doing another CompTIA Network Plus CertMaster Labs, lab number 2.3, Connect a Cable Modem. You are working on a small network in your home. You have just signed up for cable internet access for your network. The cable company has installed the line into your home and has given you a pre-configured modem for your network. All connections and connectors on the wall plate are for the WAN connection only. You do not have LAN capabilities inside your home. Your task is to connect the components to make the internet connection by adding the cable router / modem into the workplace. Connect the modem to the WAN connection using a cable for the least amount of signal loss. Connect the computer to the cable modem using a 10/100 megabytes per second Ethernet connection. Use the AC/DC power adapter to plug in the modem, and then use Windows to verify that your PC is properly connected to the internet. Okay, let's go ahead and let's get started with it. This is going to be light work. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cable router and we're going to put it right over here. Okay, there it is. It's going to be right there. And then we are going to connect the modem using the WAN connection. That is going to be a coax cable because we are using cable internet. So we're not looking for 50 ohms. We're looking for 75. And these are just two of the same exact cables. But we're going to have to look at the back of the modem, connect it, and then connect the other one to the wall. There we go. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to connect it to the computer by finding a Cat6 cable. That's right here. And we're going to connect that to the back of the modem. And then we're going to go over here to the back of our computer. And we are also going to connect it to there. We're not going to connect it down here where the looks like a NIC card is, because that's actually for telephone. You can tell because it's just a little bit smaller than a normal one. Okay, now we're going to connect the AC to DC power for the modem. And that's going to be right over here. And DC power. And then we're going to plug it into the wall. Doesn't really matter which one. Okay, front, everything's lighting up. We're doing good. Okay, I'm going to right click down here, hit network and internet settings, go here, and we are automatically connected to the DHCP. So we are good to go. Let's go ahead and score this. And we made a 100. Were you expecting anything less? Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.